Hey, this is Michael from TradeWithAutomotion.com. Today I want to look at SIL. It's a silver mining company on the Amex. It made a monster move today, up 87%. I'd like to point out that this stock was brought to attention by one of our customers that actually has purchased the DVD, and he's really an exceptional trader now and he does quite well. Hopefully that was due to our DVDs. Anyhow, let's take a look at some of the technicals that's going on with this stock. It's hard to deny when you see a nearly 90% gain in one day. What we got here is it's one of our bottom breakouts. This is just an awesome stock. I think right now precious metals are a very good thing to be getting into. So what we had right here is we've had a very serious downtrend, as you can see by the candlesticks over the past, since probably the first part of August all the way till just a couple days ago. Actually, we bottomed out at about probably $1.40. We actually, our low was 102, which is pretty dang low. We had we had one down day 3 days ago. Other than that, the last 4 trading days have been up days, and we're just plowing through resistance levels. I mean, like nobody's business. This stock is not paying attention to resistance levels. It's really just making a move. I don't know what's going on from a fundamental standpoint. There's only one thing I don't like about this stock, and it's the fact that it's touching the upper Bollinger Band. But as you can see, it traded up to 374 today, but it pulled right back within the high of the Bollinger Band, which is pretty safe. It's an indicator that, you know, this stock is very strong. It's moving strong. That 374 area was our moving average 50, which posed a little bit of resistance, but not much. Let's take a look at some of the resistance areas that we do have going on right here. Right here, our first resistance, of course, would be 374. As you can see, we had a couple days back here on August, looks like 13th, 12th through 14th possibly, that posed a little bit of resistance. Fortunately, I'm calling our next resistance. If we break through this 374 area, I see this thing running to 5.5 or 528, excuse me, quite easily. Our resistance area is back here from several months ago. I'm going to discount. I don't believe that they're going to come into play. So I'm going to use our purple moving average 100, which is pretty significant. And our next one over that, our next moving average of 200 is at $9.22. So you can see we've got a lot of profit potential still left in this stock. Let's move down and look at some of our indicators. Our volume is just awesome. Price movements always are preceded by volume. As you can see right here, look at this monster volume. Yesterday, we had a small move, not significant, but it continued on and the pressure continued in, and look at what we get, a 90% move. A 90% move on the Amex is huge. So looking at our rate of change line, we've crossed the zero line in conjunction with yesterday's move. It looks to continue on that way. It's very strong. We had our signal line crossover on the MACD. We had our zero line crossover on the histogram. Things are looking very, very good. We have not confirmed the full stochastic. However, tomorrow it'll probably, if this run continues, it's going to confirm, and that's going to be very bullish for the lagging indicators and the conservative traders who like to wait for double confirmation or even triple confirmation. As you can see from our money flow index, nobody's selling. All the money's flying into this thing. It's moving up hard. So let's move on up to our momentum indicators, which is our RSIs. As I stated before, everything looks really good. The 2 and 5 is really up there. Our RSI 14, which is the industry standard, has crossed the 50 line. It's at 60 right now. It looks really good. It's got a lot of room to run, so we could be potentially looking for a big run. I'm not going to make a prediction or forecast right now. The only forecast I'm saying is I really think we have a good chance of getting into the $5 area tomorrow. I don't know if we're going to close up there, but I definitely think that one of our wicks, and we have some potential of trading in that area. Our ADX line looks really good. It was up here in the 40, and it was a very strong downtrend. We've broken out of that trend with our plus DI and negative DI crossing over. Another bullish move. So the ADX line's pushing out. Like I said, we've got this convergence area, which signifies a bottom breakout. Everything in this stock says go. I highly recommend you buy one of our bottom breakout DVDs for 89 bucks. If you use the code message board, you're going to find stocks like this every day. There's stocks like this out there every day. Not 90%, but you know, you're going to make your 10, 20, 30% quite easily. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and trade without emotion.